Alrighty, hello students! So, I keep talking about how you can do these trig functions on a calculator out there on the internet, but I haven't exactly showed you. So what happens if you got something like this pink box in the corner up there? You have something like x equals 12 times the sine of 26 degrees, and you're telling me that I can use a calculator online to do this? How do you do that? Well, I'm going to show you multiple different ways. The first is if you literally type in calculator into Google, it's going to pop you up this bad boy. So you can even use this. The important thing is that, see how that says rad right there? You do not want it to say rad. You want it to say deg. You want it to say degrees. That's what this means. This means degrees. This means radians for right now. You want it in degrees. You'll learn about radians later, but right now we are in degrees. So make sure that the DEG is in bold black and that the rad is in the gray. And now all you gotta do, you can type it, you can poke the letters, whatever you want. 12 times the sine of 26, and because we're in degrees, it knows that you mean 26 degrees, equals. There you go. You can also type. You don't have to click the buttons. You can also just type in 12 times sine of 26 degrees. But yes, that is how to do it with the Google version. If sine were cosine, you just use the cosine button instead. Another way I'm going to show you how to do it is just if you Google Desmos, D-E-S-M-O-S, Desmos, and you click on the scientific calculator right here. Again, we're going to do the exact same thing in that pink box up here, but now we're going to do it with Desmos. See how it says DEG right here? That's what you want. If this says rad, you're in the wrong thing, and you're going to get a very, very different answer. So make sure that you are in degrees. And now we got 12 times sine of 26 degrees, which, oh, hey, your answer shows up on this side. There it is. Was that the same as what we got with the Google calculator? 5.26, 5.26. Oh my goodness, look at that. So those are two different ways to do all of your sine, cosine, tangent, trig business online instead of having to have a physical calculator there with you. I hope this helped. If it didn't, tune into my live stream every weekday from 12 to 2 p.m. Ask me questions or just hang out if you're bored. We play Minecraft, we sing, we doodle, we do a lot of stuff on the live stream. It's a good time. Yes, ask me questions, email me, whatever you need. I am here to help you right now. So, there you go. Have a great day. Bye.